Hi guys, so we're here now as Ancestre, right ba yung pronunciation ko? So sir, konting introduction yan. Name?
Okay, my name is Chip Mariano. I'm the founder of Ancestre. The name of our company is Mama and Lola's processed food manufacturing. The brand name is Ancestre because it's a collection of heirloom recipes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sample!
So, here's the sample.
Oh, di ba yung makikita nyo? Oh my God, tapang
Yes,
durog.
Tapang Durog. This is our flagship product. Actually, it was awarded by DTI, PTTC, BPI, and Bangko during the Steel Beta Camp. It was awarded as most innovative award. Tapos, it's very flexible. It's ready to eat. Diba the typical tapa, you can just pair it with rice.
Rice,
This one,
and
you
ano?
can put it in lugaw,
Oh.
pizza, salad. So, it's really up to you. The
Okay.
imagination is,
So why did you decide na sumali dito sa food entrepreneur, the big food entrepreneur?
Yes. So basically, for better market access, to test our new products because
Okay.
this one is new.
So we have Kalyos guys and Lengua.
The Calis and Lengo is new. We just launched this. So to test the product, and I think Mercato is the perfect venue
Yeah.
for me because I always attend. I'm DTI assisted MSME,
Oh.
so I always attend DTI trade fairs. Ang product namin nun is the tapang. So I tried it before with rice during the trade fair. And then it became a click, no? So I decided, might as well serve it na lang with rice. So I think Mercato is a perfect venue for me to showcase my product. So that's one of the reasons why I
Okay. So kung wala tayo sa Mercanto, where they can order? Facebook, Instagram?
Yes, we have Facebook, Instagram, just search Ancestre PH. You can order there.
Okay. So good luck later. So
Thank you very
magbobotohan
much.
yata kami.
Yes.
Okay.